Let's see the example. Check if n and its double exists. We are given an array L of integer. We need to check if there exists two integer n and n, such n is a double of m. Now, for example, n is 2 times m, and there's 3 examples here. The first example, when n equal to 10 is a double of m equal to 5. That is, 10 is 2 times 5, so it is returned true. The second example, n equal to 14 is the double of m equal to 7. That is, 14 is 2 times 7. And the third example, in this case, there is no exists n and n such that n equal to 2 times m, because all the elements here are odd number, not even number. And I will first get an importer to make a demonstrate for I in L print I. So this will print out of every element. So if I give a if statement, if I is module 2, so this will print out the even number, right? And if we use the in statement, if I multiply 2 in the then the 5 will print out, but it will add the time complexity. So we use the set to load is hash map to load the time complexity. And if we have a set here, and we add a set, add C, add I, and then we just print them out, print the thing. So this is how it's finally output, but we can also print like this. This is how it print out every step. We can see in the final step the 3 become the first. So yeah, we can to give them a test. Let's say if I is in this, and we just print print the, let's see, we just print the C. What happened? Yeah, so this will be more interesting. So it first taking the turn and taking the 2, but then taking 5. 5 is already in the L. So we can say that to the scene. 5 is already in the scene. So it won't print out. So we can turn this function into turn this code, this snippet of code into a function. Define check if exists self L integer return bool, and give them indentation and class solution, and we can check by the print solution dot check, and check this. So as we can see, it will print no, yeah, and we have to return whether it is a true, return in return true, and the scene and delete the print. So this time it is true. We already did it. It will output true. And if we add another the second example, it will become null. Otherwise null. Oh, we didn't include. Let's see. We can give them a return false. We also output print the scene, so it will output here, and we can see it is iterate all of the element. But this is weird because the 7 is the last iterate, and they already did it. They already checked before the 7 is added, so we need to add a flow individual innovation is like this, and it's in scene. So this time it will become true because after it check 7, it will also check the 17, because it will check the division, flow division. And let's try to see the final example. Yeah, it will print out false, because after it check out every element, it didn't find what we need, so it is return false. Okay, we did it.